Ever pondered how many teeth a horse has? Or perhaps why they sleep standing up? These are just a few questions that might have crossed your mind if you've ever spent time around these magnificent creatures. Horses are indeed fascinating animals, with a rich history and unique characteristics that set them apart from our usual domestic pets. Our journey today takes us into the world of horses, a journey that promises to be as enlightening as it is entertaining. We'll delve into the intriguing aspects of their behavior, their biology, and their bond with humans. From their incredible speed to their heartwarming communication methods, we'll be exploring a myriad of facts that would make you see horses in a whole new light. Did you know that horses use their ears, eyes, and even nostrils to express their feelings? Or that the term horsepower has a literal origin? Intriguing, isn't it? Stay with us as we trot through the most fascinating facts about horses. Prepare to be astounded! Kicking off our countdown, horses have an impressive 205 bones in their body. That's right. From their majestic head down to their powerful hooves, the equine skeletal structure is a marvel of nature. It's this intricate framework that gives horses their awe-inspiring strength and agility. Each bone, be it in the spine, limbs, or skull, plays a crucial role. The long bones in their legs, for example, act as a lever system, aiding in high-speed movements, while the vertebrae in the backbone provide support and flexibility. The skull, housing the brain and sensory organs, is robust yet surprisingly lightweight for its size. So, whether a horse is galloping across an open field, leaping over hurdles, or simply standing majestically, it's the intricate interplay of these 205 bones that makes it all possible. Next time you see a horse galloping, remember, it's all thanks to those 205 bones. Did you know a horse has between 36 to 44 teeth? Yes, you heard it right. A horse's mouth is more than just a one-bite wonder. It's a complex system of different types of teeth, each with a unique role to play. To start, a horse has 12 incisors at the front of the mouth, used for biting off grass and other foods. Then, there are the tushes or the canines, which are more commonly found in male horses and are believed to be used for fighting. Next, we have the premolars and molars, also known as cheek teeth. These are responsible for grinding down food into a pulp before it's swallowed. But here's the fascinating part. A horse's teeth never stop growing. They continually wear down from chewing, but they also keep on growing. This is why an older horse will have longer teeth than a younger one. So, the phrase long in the tooth does indeed have a literal meaning in the world of horses. Ever wondered why horses sleep standing up? It's quite a fascinating sight, isn't it? This unique ability is due to a special arrangement of muscles and bones called the stay apparatus. This ingenious mechanism allows horses to relax their muscles and doze without collapsing to the ground. Now, isn't that clever? It's a survival instinct that's been honed over countless generations. In the wild, being able to sleep standing up allows horses to make a quick escape from predators. But here's something even more intriguing. Horses also sleep lying down. Yes, you heard it right. Deep sleep, including the all-important REM, rapid eye movement sleep, occurs when horses are lying down. So if you see a horse lying flat out in a field, don't worry, it's probably just dreaming. So never assume a standing horse is fully awake. Horses see the world differently than we do. And no, that's not just a metaphor. The horse's vision is truly unique. For starters, they have the largest eyes of any land mammal. This gives them a pretty impressive field of view. Imagine being able to see almost 360 degrees around you. That's right, horses can see nearly all around them without turning their head. It's like having built-in wide-angle lenses. But don't think they see the world in the same colors as we do. Horses perceive colors differently. They see fewer colors and not as vibrantly as humans, but that doesn't make their world dull. Also, did you know that horses have a blind spot directly in front of their nose and directly behind them? This is why you'll often see a horse swing its head around to look at something. So next time you gaze into a horse's eyes, remember, their vision is a true testament to their survival instincts. Horses can live up to 30 years or more. Yes, you heard it right. These magnificent creatures can be with us for a significant portion of our lives. But what determines the lifespan of a horse? It's a blend of factors, really. Firstly, the breed of the horse plays a crucial role. Lighter breeds tend to live longer than heavier ones. Then there's the element of diet and exercise. A well-balanced diet and regular exercise can significantly increase a horse's lifespan. Proper veterinary care is another essential factor. Regular checkups and vaccinations help keep diseases at bay, ensuring a long and healthy life for the horse. Lastly, the environment in which a horse lives can also affect its lifespan. Horses that live in stress-free environments, where they're loved and cared for, tend to live longer. So the lifespan of a horse is not just about time, it's about the quality of life we provide for them. Cherish every moment with these majestic creatures, they truly are a lifetime companion. Horses communicate with their ears. Yes, you heard it right. Our equine friends have a unique language of their own, and it's all in the ears. When a horse's ears are pricked forward, it's keenly interested in something happening in front of it. On the other hand, when a horse's ears are pinned back flat against its head, it's a clear sign of annoyance or anger. But that's not all. A horse's ears can swivel almost 180 degrees using 10 different muscles. That's far more than a human, who only has 3. This allows horses to focus on sounds from different directions without having to move their heads and convey complex emotions. A horse may also express uncertainty or anxiety by flicking its ears back and forth rapidly. So the next time you're around these magnificent creatures, pay close attention to their ears. Their subtle movements can reveal a lot about how they're feeling. Next time, try to read a horse's mood by its ears. Horses can run up to 55 miles per hour. Now, isn't that a fun fact to kick off this segment? This incredible speed is not just a result of their strong and muscular bodies, but a combination of several factors. Firstly, the breed of the horse plays a crucial part. Certain breeds, like the thoroughbred and the quarter horse, are known for their exceptional speed and stamina, making them the stars of racing tracks worldwide. Secondly, training is paramount. Horses don't just wake up one day and decide to run at lightning speed. It requires consistent training and conditioning, much like an athlete preparing for a marathon. This includes a carefully planned diet, regular exercise, and mental training. Lastly, their unique body structure, specifically their long legs and lightweight bones, provides leverage for fast, powerful strides. So, next time you see a horse galloping gracefully in a field, remember, there's a lot going on behind that speed. No wonder they're known for their speed and grace. There are over 350 breeds of horses. Imagine that! A staggering variety, each with their unique characteristics and charm. From the strength and stamina of the thoroughbred, the world's premier racehorse, to the majestic Clydesdale, known for its incredible power and gentle nature. Then we have the Arabian horse, with its distinctive head shape and high tail carriage, a breed that is not only beautiful but one of the oldest in the world. And let's not forget the American quarter horse, the most popular breed in the United States, cherished for its versatility and friendly disposition. From the miniature Shetland ponies to the towering Shires, the world of horses is as diverse as it is fascinating. Each breed with its unique traits contributes to the rich tapestry that makes up the equine world. With so many breeds, there's a horse for every horse lover out there. The term horsepower isn't just a unit of measurement. It has a fascinating origin story that intertwines with our equine friends. The term was first coined by the Scottish engineer James Watt in the late 18th century. While observing ponies at a coal mine, Watt was struck by their strength and stamina. He calculated that a pony could lift a weight of 22,000 pounds a foot high in 1 minute. Watt then extrapolated this to a full-sized horse, and the term horsepower was born. Today we use horsepower to measure the power output of engines, from cars to lawnmowers. But it's important to remember the origin of the term and the incredible strength and endurance of the animals it was inspired by. Each horse is a living, breathing embodiment of power, capable of feats that continue to inspire us. Horses truly are the embodiment of power. At the top of our list, a horse's heart weighs an astonishing 10 pounds. Yes, you heard it right. The heart of a horse is indeed a wonder in its own right. This 10-pound marvel is a powerhouse that fuels the strength and endurance these magnificent creatures are known for. Imagine carrying around the weight of a large bowling ball inside your chest, constantly pumping blood to every muscle and organ in your body. That's what a horse's heart does, every single day. But what makes the heart so significant isn't just its size, it's the role it plays in the horse's incredible athletic abilities. Horses are celebrated for their speed, their stamina, and their power. All of these attributes are directly linked to their heart. It's the engine that drives a horse. providing the necessary oxygen and nutrients to their muscles when they gallop at full speed or carry heavy loads. Horses, especially those bred for racing, have hearts that can pump an extraordinary amount of blood. In fact, during a race, a horse's heart can pump up to 75 gallons of blood per minute. That's about the same as filling up a standard bathtub in less than 60 seconds. This impressive heart performance also contributes to the horse's remarkable recovery rate. Have you ever noticed how quickly a horse can catch its breath after a strenuous gallop? That's the heart, working overtime to stabilize the body after intense activity. But let's not forget the emotional side of a horse's heart. Anyone who's ever formed a bond with a horse knows that their hearts are not just physically large. These animals are capable of forming deep emotional connections with humans. They can sense our feelings, respond to our moods, and provide comfort when we need it most. So, the heart of a horse is not just a biological marvel. It's also a symbol of their emotional depth, their capacity for empathy, and the bond they can form with us humans. Their heart is not only physically large, but metaphorically too, as anyone who's loved a horse can attest. From their impressive 205 bones to their 10-pound heart, horses are truly amazing creatures. We've trotted through some remarkable terrain today, uncovering the fascinating world of horses. We started our journey with an intriguing question, do you know? And shared 10 astonishing facts about these noble beasts. We learned that a horse, much like a fine wine, can be aged by examining its teeth, a handy trick for any horse aficionado. We then delved into the curious fact that horses can sleep both standing up and lying down, a testament to their adaptability and resilience. Their unique vision, which allows them to see nearly 360 degrees around them, further adds to their survival prowess. Our exploration continued as we discovered the impressive lifespan of horses, some living well into their 30s. We also learned about the fascinating ways horses communicate, using a complex system of vocalizations and body language that's as rich as our own. The speed at which a horse can gallop left us breathless, with the fastest recorded speed being 55 miles per hour. We then took a detour into the diverse world of horse breeds, each with their unique attributes and characteristics. We also demystified the term horsepower, a unit of measure we often use without truly understanding its origin. And finally, we learned about the horse's heart, a 10-pound marvel that powers these magnificent creatures through their demanding lives. To say that horses are just animals would be a gross understatement. They are athletes, companions, and symbols of freedom and nobility. Each fact we uncovered today only deepens our admiration for these extraordinary creatures. We hope you enjoyed this ride through the world of horses. Until next time, keep galloping on the trail of knowledge.